Hey, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing this Terrarium V2 Artisan Keycap from Dwarf Factory. Let's take a look over here at the product page. If you're new here, I want to say thanks for dropping in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you can catch all of the upcoming mechanical keyboard content. So this Terrarium V2 was $44. I can't remember what color I ordered or what shape I ordered. I just know I ordered one. One of the cool options was if you bought a full set of, I believe it was 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of all 7 colors, you were able to customize it and have your name inside of there on a little nameplate. I've been looking forward to this for a while. It got delayed due to them having to shut down because of COVID, and then they were only allowed to mail so many at a time according to when I reached out to them. They offered if I'd tell them my order number, they'd push it through, but I didn't really want to do that. It just kind of felt unfair to push myself ahead of others. So let's get into here and see what this is like. This is going to be my first Artisan from Dwarf Factory. I've been looking forward to it for a while. Got a little box here with a little pull tab on it. Pulls out. It's got a not your every usual boring, so long, overly complicated user guide. So a guide on how to take it on and off. You got finger cots in here, which seems highly unnecessary to have finger cots on something that you're going to be putting your finger on regularly. So we're just going to go ahead and pull it out. Let's take a look at this up close here. So the colors are surprisingly vibrant. Don't know how well it's coming across on as what come on. Don't know how well it's coming across as a recording, but the colors are pretty bright and pretty incredible here. Sorry about the light reflection off of there. But you've got a nice little cactus in here, some little different succulents. You got pink cactuses, orange cactuses, little blue succulent flowery things. It looks pretty amazing in my little opinion here. The little nameplate says Dwarf Factory. What does it say underneath of there? Terrarium, DF, and some random numbers and letters and like a barcode there. I'm gonna have to say, I'm pretty impressed with the colors, the quality. I think this is a great little keycap. I'm looking forward to find something to put it on real soon. I don't know if you can tell, but in the blue along the bottom here, there's little like dichroic like sparkles. Kind of caught a little glimpse of them there. Yeah, so you can see it's got little sparkles there. I think the colors are amazing. This thing is definitely worth the wait. I am definitely happy with the quality. I have ordered some more Dwarf Factory Artisans. They've got some cannabis themed ones. I don't really partake anymore, but I'm still an advocate, so I had to cop those keycaps. Who knows when they'll be here if they were delayed like this. This was supposed to come back in, I want to say late July, and then they pushed it back a month until August, and now here it is, almost the end of October, and I finally got it. So, hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll add a link to the product down in the description. I look forward to seeing you guys again real soon. Have a great rest of your week.